In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use heading styles. If you've ever worked on a long document and wished it felt cleaner, easier to navigate, and more professional, heading styles are your best friend. They don't just make text bigger or bolder, they apply a consistent structure that helps readers scan your content, lets your software build a table of contents, and improves accessibility for everyone using screen readers. Let's walk through how to apply them clearly and confidently. Start by highlighting the text you want to turn into a heading. This could be a chapter title, a section name, or a smaller subsection. Make sure you select only the words you want styled as a heading. If your document treats headings by paragraph, placing your cursor anywhere in that line will usually apply the style to the whole heading line, so a careful selection helps keep everything tidy. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where the main formatting tools live, and it's where you'll find the Styles area. Think of the Home tab as your document's control center for quick, consistent formatting. In the Styles group, click the Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 button. Here's a simple way to choose. Heading 1 is typically your top-level title or the main sections of a document. Heading 2 is great for major subsections under that, and Heading 3 works well for smaller topics nested inside a Heading 2 section. Pick the level that matches the importance of the text. If you apply one and it doesn't feel right, just click another level to instantly update it. The style will handle the font, size, and spacing for you, keeping your document consistent from top to bottom. If you don't see the heading options right away, click the drop-down arrow in the Styles gallery to see more options. This expands the full set of available styles, including all the standard heading levels. Once the gallery is open, choose the heading level you want and it will apply to your selected text. That's all it takes. By highlighting your text, heading to the Home tab, choosing the right heading level in the Styles group, and expanding the gallery if needed, you're building a clear hierarchy that makes your document easier to read and maintain. As a final tip, stay consistent. Use Heading 1 for your main title or primary sections, Heading 2 for the next layer down, and Heading 3 for finer details. With just these steps, your document becomes organized, professional, and ready to navigate.